When considering WordPress for building your website, there are 12 key things you need to know before making your purchase. Whether you're comparing it to other platforms like Wix or Shopify, these details can help you decide if WordPress is the right choice for you. First, WordPress is incredibly flexible. It's an open source platform that gives you full control over customization. Unlike competitors that offer limited design flexibility, WordPress allows you to use thousands of themes and plugins to build a truly unique website. But this flexibility comes at a price. There's a learning curve involved in managing all these options. Next, the ease of use. While WordPress is flexible, it's not the easiest for beginners. Unlike Wix, which prides itself on being user-friendly, WordPress requires you to handle your hosting, domain, and security. It's not as simple as dragging and dropping elements into place. But if you have some technical experience or are willing to learn, it can be worth it. The third thing to consider is cost. WordPress itself is free, but you'll need to pay for hosting, a domain, and any premium themes or plugins you might want. So while the initial software might be low cost compared to something like Shopify, the additional costs can add up quickly. Next thing to keep in mind is speed. WordPress can be slower than competitors, especially if you're using many plugins. This can impact the user experience and SEO rankings. But if optimized properly, WordPress can be fast. You'll need to carefully select the plugins you use and keep your website lean. The fifth thing you need to know is security. WordPress is a target for hackers due to its popularity, so you'll need to stay on top of updates and choose secure hosting. While Shopify and Wix handle security for you, WordPress requires more hands-on management. The sixth point is scalability. WordPress is perfect for scaling up. Whether you're starting small or have big plans to expand, it can grow with you. Other platforms, like Wix, are often more limited when it comes to advanced features and expansion. The seventh thing to consider is SEO. WordPress excels in SEO capabilities. It's a more powerful option than many competitors, with advanced features that help optimize your site for search engines. You'll have access to SEO plugins like Yoast that make it easier to manage your on-page SEO. The eighth thing is support. Unlike Wix or Shopify, WordPress doesn't have dedicated support unless you opt for a premium plan or service. This means you'll have to rely on community forums and third-party resources, which can be time-consuming and frustrating at times. Next, WordPress is incredibly versatile when it comes to content management. It's not just for blogging. Many businesses use it to create portfolios, e-commerce stores, and more. The large selection of themes and plugins makes it a great option for anyone needing more than just a basic website. The 10th thing to think about is the learning curve. WordPress offers extensive customization, but to get the most out of it, you'll need to invest time in learning how the system works. If you're looking for an easy-to-use builder, platforms like Wix or Shopify might be more suitable for you. The 11th point is mobile responsiveness. Most WordPress themes are responsive, meaning they will look good on mobile devices. But you'll still need to ensure that your chosen theme works well across all devices, as not all of them are optimized for mobile. Finally, the 12th thing to keep in mind is the community. WordPress has one of the largest online communities. This means that you can find tons of tutorials, resources, and plugins to help you along the way. However, this also means it can be overwhelming to navigate all the options. All in all, WordPress is a solid choice for those who want complete control and flexibility over their website. But if you're looking for something with more built-in features and simplicity, we recommend checking out a better alternative. Our recommended solution is perfect for those looking for an all-in-one platform with a free trial to help you get started.